Abujafo, eba mu nyina makwa aba. Eja, unu I can my life. Me try say me back previously, but eja medical mo say this new software of streaming here. Afi na me use it. Normal be bo ha ya na aye complicated kakra. But ni nyina mu yaba. Eye Dormaahene. Ene eye Nana Samgba Gyafla. Wodi wotoso mienu. Ewo eye sampa. Akawele ni de say ukopim wa sampa wono ana ohwe kuro no so. And according to the last but one video I made I think in less than 14 days ago, in the context of the video, according to the details of the video, no na Jawatie Sikroma or near Manfo interactive. I'm sure say Mubeka of which said it was his public Mubeka sa video no between the say the first public interaction between Nana Samgba Gyafla and the people of Sampa. And then come off Fraba. They did say Gazette and 1 month for baby na train Gazette and 1 month for baby. And I think I say Gazette no acquisition Ken. Da ben ye beg Gazette no, da ben ye beg Gazette and because you are train here and there. People wanna see say omobe de nwane no na Gazette no atudin. And the main reason why I'm for baby are charged on this matter panel is because of say Nana Samgba Gyafla or Tosun you oye Mamu himself oye judge. And because of that it be himself oni mamamra ni amane. And not just that eba court to say mu aban mu so a wakwadri wo mu ye pa say nka Dormaahene anase Nana Agyeman Badu e di be hia ne say emra ne mra he is a right person, the rightful person e call bon ho de a o se nka otimi di hia no one after the other bet ebidum say Nana judodo Nana Samgba wa judodo no wa ye so slow no wonke kan ho na munyaboche bibia kakra na wo hwe Nana Samgba Gyafla anamon na wotutu no obeso otu anamon no according to a way bia with evidence or experience. Don't forget say wo hwe between Nana Samgba Gyafla and Nana Agyeman Badu a ba ko ye high court judge ba ko ye supreme court judge etino there is a vast difference between them. Okwa ha ne ye kan wa sorry o ba ko ye appeal court judge and ba ko ye high court judge sorry etu hwe ha yekoka wa asem ewo Nana Agyeman Badu ho no mu wie na se ye kana ankoyi anasa asem ne se de odi ye no wani age ho kra no a wotimi de ko wanim eko apeli eho ana eye Nana Samgba Gyafla ewo na about 3 days ago in semi kopie mu ewo eye court Kumasi court na semi ne kopie mu nyina se gazette ne ho nkomo no achedodo and utie Nana Agyeman Badu Nana Agyeman Badu can frequently in his messages what are the two dwa or say Kumasi and answer the Asante region traditional area na Kumasi traditional area no wo mo fa buo ma o mo bonofo no eti ko bono traditional area ho no no a wo mo nyina no Asantefo anase Kumasi emfa buo mo especially say Asante kofa eye ohini bi ewo eye bono na obo ne manhene a enkratasam eni die wo se de ma bonofo no na ebonofo no nka mo hu say yes at least se mu wura no na mo som na mo nkonya hye na se kwa no a mo ko so awiye no ama mo nkrata e kire se eni die mu se de eye the Chieftaincy Act no e ka no ana process no eti no wa ma mo nkrata e kire se wa wie hu adwuma eti yensu processing fankoto the National House of Chiefs for anim se ye kan go manhia no yensu ye hwe mu no mo ne ho nkrata aba ye hwe mu ne nsam no se na manso nsam no wo eye nkonwa ne ho a mo tena so e kan ya na otumfo tena so kan wie no wo de ani dia bre eye bono regional House of Chiefs ni se an eja according to abanche say ya etwitwa re ana etwitwa regions ni mriti so ma be di mu mpeso aso but me ana me kan asem ni wieye no this is what really happened itimunje na munsum na nkrata wo some de ka ho bo de bra the National House of Chiefs na eba gazette ne ho a yetimi a gazette and utie Nana Agyeman Badu kasem a or say this kind of document san nkrata we otumfo mfa bi mbre ne da or say or not being the president of the Bono Regional House of Chiefs, meaning say the Kumasi traditional area or the Asante Regional Traditional Council no enfe bimbrand da. Before what happened at the court, and any 3 days. Abra Nana Samgba Gyafla, the Bono, any Dormaahene, he being the president of the Bono Regional House, could not court at that came. You ever had the see or court one, and you ever could dim to the moon, the see or court one. Me yanko he said this document e fa Nana Samgba Gyafla ho no de bia Dormaahene ka se otumfo amfa bibia ambre ne sa otumfo amfa bibia ambre ne sa yenkohwe yekohwe that short video very short video ne ba na nkomo aka no ya to aso yeko confirm say otumfo de krata bi koma abono originals of chief ana abra eye between eye Abu Mahama Adama Watara ene Nana Agyeman Badu ne maame a na efeni Rose no aha nsem ni kopie mu e wo manhia na maame nka awade kakra bi se na be abetim komo na se yi pa aha se na be video ne to so a wonhwe ne se video hunu na obi hu de ekobi enti maame nche wade wa ha before no case ya na internet so adane ntokwa no na eye Nana Agyeman Badu na wonka ho na prior no na eye ntokwa a war between eye Abu Mahama and Adama Watara wo mu mienu na ya adehia na omo press sampa akodwan ho se we see your rifle ana ntokwa no kopie mu e wo manhia because they went there because of say omunim say sampa akodwan ne de e otumfo na ebo ne mahini ti say ba tinjesem bia they have to go there ne saka eye akodwan no anase come on so na aba akodwan ho so they went there between Abu Mahama and Adama Watara na omko kan asem no ana otumfo kan asem no wi no ka say mo ye nuafo me tracking mo history ni de nana no maka chemi a mo ye busuafo mo ye nua mo ye moja baako ti saman so na aba sampa nkonya ho a mo die sanse won nyina na Nana Agyeman Badu ane ne maame nka ho o no mu di ni iti munyan man so no na mo fo odo ne nka bom entena sampa na mo nka asem no e ma so wie nye dai emra and truly otumfo timi kan asem no e ma wo mu gitum ye ba ko he even otumfo kan asem ni wie se de abusuafo ni se react between e Abu Mahama Adama Watara and Sana Agyeman Badu e ba betoso. Let's go and check this video that improve say ampa otumfo e de krata e bisa e koma abono original se ye be bo ne kakra so do not worry.
Ubekaya yanama Watara enemy of Abu ejitu mu esre otumfo tam kese e kantam kese se omubaka bomu na omakore sampa na asundua enu achi ena sa petition we a mabo akira osese yai e baaye sa petition we na eni monim eni monim nyina achi no yaru atena so no wankasa na eni monim ntime mfa eni die mamo oka otena asam no so wieye a oka wieye no osan tre krata ema ye di bremu as you as the president of the Bono Regional House of Chiefs.
Awusiafo tie nie pa o ntia ha no ye nua a wo kasai bebre na anim ne se ono na ye ukopie mu ewo eye the Bono Regional House of Chiefs wa na se Bono Council ho no ma na wurewure mu akopie mu wo sampa honom no amanhena konwa no wona the personal secretary to the throne. Now oso obaba be mama hwe bibi se otumfo kan nsem ni wie wa mfa krata ankwa ana ye hwe woni wie a ne akohwe de esi wo court 3 days ago me ngbombram ne yentoa eye yenua the personal secretary to sampa manhena ne nsem a odi to dwai
ebusiafo se ne de bia me ka no me nsem bia me ka bia no me di adansedie eba ema wo hunu se asam na me ka no eye trodo pepepe uja krata ya me di kire wi a uja telephone number ne wo so yi Asanteman Council letterhead ene wo so yi asembe ene wa hai o se sampa stool affairs Adama Watara Abu Mansa Rules versus petition no mudi ba ye no omudi ba editia Abu Mama eno tena title ne yes ano yera omubi ye no sei eno twa krata akoma abunufo
udie o se yenwura wie ni sei ana otwero krata no a wode koma hefa ebunufo and this letter was on the 22nd of June 2023 on the 22nd of June 2023 it will share ayesa krata we a edaso ya ye twero koma eye the Bono Regional House of Chiefs o compare eye June 28th 1 year ana ada the Bono Regional House of Chiefs wo se omobe krata ne so no mo aka se otumfo kan asem ni wie ye no odi between even the two families even plus eye the third family eye Rose Mensa na Rose Mansa that is Nana Agyeman Badu amaame ye kan asem ni wie no o de ho krata abra ye Bono Regional House of Chiefs ni se ampa waka asem na wie se waka asem na wie dia then we are supposed to do our part and your part and it's a letter no what be back home now as the Bono Regional House of Chiefs modi akwa command the National House of Chiefs say sampa nkonwa no maso sembie ni hu bie udie pa maso sembie ni hu bie nti no say gazette no ye betimi agazeti wo no ma ba be kan ho e wo fie but that till now sakrata no kra yenji ni se e wo bono regional house of chiefs yenim ne ye watena so me ehwa de esi wo eye court enra me nua yi e wo perfect explanations a wo de beto so ama ye nyina ye su etie won wo TikTok a they just go and support him there okuta the source no ana oben nanom bin so so won the video now you shouldn't just skip it. I try to promote ye nuanom mo TikTok no aha de bia se na be ya eja obia nso benya kakra e de akeka na no obon homodin e wo TikTok, so don't forget when you see his video just try to at least share or like for him yentie chechemu de si wo court eye enra
court sia o mase na mase court class no Samgba toli Samgba Gyafla e de one of the house of system court DNS yes ya na say Samgba himself no amamre paso for akan wi ama yes hini no the correspondence afuma one of the house of chiefs I was say mra paso no president of one of the house of chiefs and executive edi tino eba national house of chiefs near gazette no
iduti o say emra kwan mu no tumfo de waye de obeye nyina ye de awie woye wie no mra kwan mu no on in a month of June last year with the akwa the Bono regionals of chiefs saying some the enti amuntumi ngaze to omo no because manso wo ho eja ma kan wie it you are supposed to do your part me en ha de me en to aso de enti enwe
afi Bono regionals of chiefs ye nyina ni say omo president Dormaahene education na ase no so percent ka ode some dia otos bi small boy no di hene
enti no ye Nana Agyeman Badu otwetwe ne na ase let na be din ho last year besi ne otwetwe ne na ase die enti no otwetwe ne na ase because ono nso pese utie de oka na ono nso pese odu obi fufuro ko enti no se me gileta itum de to forward na se ko gazette Nana Samgba Gyafla edin se meba ntimi me mfa nko ti wono na e kan ja gileta na to for almost 1 year ni menti eti or sabotage system ni means how the system is supposed to go through no senka letter ne ba ye no aso tumfo akan wie no powerful edi bibia de atwero bibia kan ho as the president of the Bono regional house of chiefs and the national house of chiefs but say we keep letter no tena so there then the national house of chiefs also think say case no yen kan wie yo onya evidence no onya documented one no until whenever you sit on a letter at your position as the president of a regional house of chiefs, what letter so and now one letter end me and kopiem the national house of chiefs, then it means you want to sabotage the system. Open say we bibi we chin system na nti na what na trankrata bi so no bi enti asem all right etu owie na ode to aso say na enche bia no afi nsem no kopie mu Kumasi court 3 days ago no court no age atum say afi nsem ne yebetena so na Nana Agyeman Badu ene the Bono regional house of chiefs ye di asem no edi enti na matena letter so if these evidence are there say letter we be pie mu adan ana mote letter so etu utie nkomo na efiri Kumasi court eba no enu anu ana se kire mu say Dormaahene Nana Agyeman Badu only reason ba kokra reason as to why forwarding krata bi embre the national house of chiefs why is he keeping the letters why is he sitting on the letter edinti ne Nana ete letter no so a ompese obi abehu se letter we enso aba be di nsa obi a dwe ne ho a wonte ase de but atese Nana Agyeman Badu nko a de betimi abechenche dienti a letter no wote ase etu wote so etu tie enua ya o se ekopie mu no de empenifo class na o mo se omunnim dienti a Nana Agyeman Badu ete nkrata so and because of that omutimi classify bibia say only reason makokra only one reason to do what he's doing if he's having a reason omrameka e court ho emienti you know any other letter beba beto abontin bia no say related to Sampa no de meaning I assure you say any is going to be a court issue between Nana Samgba Gyafla the judge himself the appeal court judge himself say can ho or woson ho one after the other piling piling the evidences one after the other. They said the Nkorako school near Chiromo a year greater than less than wo be chire to me and so on. Amamenka say and same ni ko PMU that is 1 year ago no otumfo tena so kan so wie no are you sure what was the reaction of the family members, that is both from Adam Awatara and Abu Mahama? What were the family's reaction towards Otumfo's judgment? The family were happy. They were so excited. Say, almost say the Otumfo sit asem so kra kan ye no. Like for money who asem kan. Me check this video and so e wa hanom sisi ni ehwe the see wo Kumase. That is about a year ago.
Clearly, when you demonstrate, it's not about money, it's about truth. And and for him to make that firm determination that indeed you are the rightful occupants of the stool, it predetermined that indeed Otumfo is a wise man and is a wise king, and we will continue to.
It will do work as a new year, no. Ebusiana fa nyina be kasa yenya oba panyini ba ku free ha. And our brandy so free a fancy. Womuche said the judgment, they were very happy about it. And this was a judgment between Abu Mahama and Adama Watara. As I said, no peace ba ho a was a papa itimi kwatam na konwa achire ya nua be ma na se na na samodu abrantie no enso twin. It is a judgment na to ba me sumi wa asem me sumi ya buzuani maba akonwa me sumi dibia eyeji anu tumfo kan no later ekoto ya no ho sam ne de was crash me nto se abusua we mienu na ade atum so mu pepisa me de akonwa no e wo se me na me di me ento aso de ntie
for the manner and the way he has handled this proceeding so far, and we are very grateful to him for what he has done for us. Well, for me, time and again, we have made it clear, say, but of course, he has made it an intent, say, but right from day one, I can't say, it is in his own interest that you come on board and then we elect one person to lead the community. At the end of the day, we are looking for the development of the community. And once we elect that person to lead, we believe that Sampa is going to see total transformation, and at the end of the day, glory will come to Asantima and the people of Sampa.
Ote ahade mamene kana so nipa kata na nimu a wonkata na adwen no. The main reason why this woman is saying this, my main church was say, also Otumfo you obi a bebre he said it's not easy to even find him or see him. The nimu ye kata like or a scary person. No, this is Otumfo anim na kata na yenya access to see him. Eno nchese na adwen so akata. So it means the Otumfo ye ene de. Ono oba panyin de. We feel it. But Mamin kind this comment from a guest and I saw the entire video is my media. I say I watched a video and saw Dormaahene saying any chief from Bono Regional House of Chief who is appointed as Dormaahene somewhere and brought to the Bono House of Chief will not be accepted, and therefore there is no ken. You see, these are some of the things I said here Augustine Asare air canal or say when video be about Dormaahene and the two say one of the will be a ball mine will be before be a dobeba a Bono Regional House of Chief. So the Debbie or no accepting as a car was or the man go Gazatono as the president on farmer. Bet Mammy Chimu Kakrabi and Tia Mammy, Augustine Asare, Mammy Chimu Kakrabi ha. Akonye biara a war Ghana as Akonyano, na ye dikura akonyo, se na eye dien akonya endru the status of eye Mahene. Endru. Na se obi bo ana obi peja. Wo se ni pakro na o peja wo ma benya that status no. Automatically ocean asidebia because se akonya no ba asem ana akonya ni kodi bone a the rightful person that was your question one na ibusa no eye nipa na o peja sa akonya ni to that status enu ntina ahemfu no a Otumfo bo omo amahene ni nyina no debia no they are always in love to worship Asanteman because omunim say akonya na omote so no enye wo mo dia se yeyi manhene akonya ni free wo so dia ene obetimi afre ho de opebia but so won so ya manhene na so Otumfo na bo wo de ade wo de ne ka wo tena akonya so atsem na se kire no what you say enti se Bono Regional House of Chiefs so mo asem bi kan fa Sampa akonya no dia then omo kan je Sampa so mo to the title Mahene ni mfiri ho se ye to firi ho na se enye ye na say sampa ye bono eye yemfa ne say manhene akonya then anytime ohini bia betena akonya ne so obefre ne ho manhene bia no automatically osoma asante because asante and the latest akonya ne ma nipa no as eye manhene and the same thing applies to even doma akonya na omote so no Nana Agyeman Badu odi kan ya okoya ansa na Agyeman Badu otoso mienu eba no onu akonya no anana onu akonya no oteso no na eno nso na endure the status of manhene but asante hene na ono nso ho at that time before Nana ose tutu a oteso yi ha no wofa okoye no saa no wofa no ono na bebo doma afo akonya yi manhene it automatically na nka doma afo nso de wo so nko omo nso de the necessary respect ema asante but doma no a doma ne asante they have come a very long way but ahemfo no omo ho manhie ni nyina obia wo kwan ya ofa so som asante but ohwe Dormaahene as a manhene a yabɔ no asante no a ekwan na ofa so a wo som wo asante ni manhia no ade a wo mo ampanimfo mu ni mabakwa asem ne de binom bɛka ne sɛ emu odu kakra wate ase betinye bibia na betimi aka ho nsɛm wɔ internet ne so kwan a Dormaahene fa so som asante wo manhia no emu odu kakra betimi ate ho kra mebie so kakra bi wohwe Dormaahene status as a high court judge na yede ni beto watia na pampa mu a at least who ne say wako school kakra this culture and things no ntimi me anya ne sa and ohwe ne nananom a yetietie o mapampa mu ade no ni onwanchi no a who ne say a bully in terms of tradition but there is a reason why these things are practiced at Beshia example ekwan amofa aso omukotu omuwura esosa what you asem na say Nana obri yebu a ekwan adomafo kotu Nana obri yebu asosa at that time no obri yebu a na onye manhene sorry no onye the king of the people of Asante because at that time the time of obri yebu a no na Asante nyamba Asante nyankeka ne humbo mu what you asem na say ana maybe o ma men kan comment we Nana Nyako Bright or say Doma does not love peace. Let's ask ourselves these questions. I don't want peace now. Okay. Nana Nyako Bright or say was he the only one who appointed the last paramount? Was he the one who appointed the last paramount chief? Is he the one overlord of Sampa? Nana Agyeman Badu is not the overlord of Sampa. There be or a paramount chief of the people of Doma. But Ghana, the Chieftaincy Act, every region is supposed to get at least will be a better man on tea. Nananom yamo kwan so monto aba enyi ba ko better man for every 4 years bia. Enti omo to aba no mugi Nana Agyeman Badu otoso mieni so on the president of the people of the Bono. Bono no say enya Bono ahafo no biem ya cha mo 3. Ye wo Bono region. And ye wo Bono East region. And ye wo ahafo region nti bi enu say ya cha mo 3. Ti cha mo 3 ahafofo no nko ana eyifo no nso nko Bono East fo nso nko ana eye Bono region so enko se so mo region ya chemu 3 na Bono ho no eho ana Nana Agyeman Badu ocha say no oye the president of omo no kra no na konya no 4 years na be so next year eti next year ometo aba foforo na obi foforo enso aba be the president of the Bono but according to the Chieftaincy Act the only person and the region no yen to so aba for the presidency portfolio no eyotumfo Asante region the otumfo yen to ne so aba it will no gwani obi ayen to ne so aba because ne bi ayen is considered to be a state anything Asante for kasa Asante nyina your mind no ntire sa Asante your mind ahene akonya a nation of its own that is according to the Chieftaincy Act eno na Dormaahene try bibia say enye fair ti o na Dormaahene try say it is not fair say adenti na ono de yento ne so aba adenti na ono de Chieftaincy Act no constitution e protecting yan nananom e favor ono nko a but na ni we fi say when Asante was joining Ghana no na Doma ende ne ho Asante na ode ne ho as a whole and ode ne ho be kan Ghana ho pa nko fa ne ho nka and so according to the Asante for ne Ghana call ye do I was saying this our recognition and respect and Asante hene no de bia ni de bia nti we in the constitution of Ghana no say president be Ghana so in terms of consultation on how to rule or make Ghana a better country no de bia Asante ne ka da board no wo ka ho ana edi ana ye bu Ghana it is a Ghana the car ana Ghana pesika ana Ghana kwa ho chemu a de bia Asante ne ana even the president and I say the current state of that year no the current president of that particular year no or consulting is Nana say na Ghana echo this and that did you make our first there's a Black Star Square kobo matcha de bia try say the players ne be ba kochia something and san ye do mako etu anamo akobo international matches bia so the constitution gives that recognition to ayo tum for Asante hene what you say na sepa so yen to also Ewa hani entie eye enkomo a ye nanan edi betu dwa after eye otumfo tena nsem no so na oka ye no enigye I think say video no I see ne say ye hema me ne tofa na wo bo no na kakra bia me wo twato no be dia ma be na me ka se na dey di kan wo hwe eye me channel ya me dia ba YouTube a na say e ma remfi say one obe like this video, two obe subscribe to this channel, subscribe we are dey bia me catch you say to get all the updates what you say e koso wo Ghana nyina no enya ahensem kwa say ye be biem e dey arrive politics ni ade me hihye me studio no me nya wie afei na me pilot studio ni hihye ne kakra it make house all these updates and beautiful documentaries am dey bebre no e ma wan fi subscribe we are subscription in channel adoma bi be ba da ho fa nsabo adoma ne so odo nsabo adoma ne so a choose all no e be yaba no unya choose all ni say kum ye the video ni too ma then your phone will tell you say King Ghana upload the video and so e wa anche be bawura aye the northern region omo history ni na e ba ko twe aba ha ye be ko ye nuanom anwonafo ni kro mo beautiful histories no ye be twe ni nyina so apiem aba ye be ko western region ye be tie sintim jakari so e kwan ya intim jakari na ye fe no otumfo that title no kwan be na be fa so e be da no so die ntina na ye fe no otumfo intim jakari kwan be so ana asante ye be kyekere no otumfo se tutu odi kan intim jakari bo no ho ban da abakwasem ni nyina ye be ba kwa akotwe aba me ntie na ni nsema owo eri twato enigi a sampafo enigi ye ene adane maso semu. All right, so utie maami a o se nani age the otumfo ayama eye sampafo na amanaji otumfo edi ye pa we ni nsema ekwa eba nti se na 3 days se upensem ekopie mu ewo eye Kumasi court wa no ana mabro so enso edi ama we nti enche so who say born original house of chief let be di continue free Kumasi court and say any other court to be na ye between Nana Gyafla any bono dia na say a fight between Nana Agyeman Badu and Nana Gyafla. Nana Gyafla say atai no abroso evidence bay fact bay and ye Nana Agyeman Badu wontia up to now in krata sema was forward near gasete no akoye nsem bebre into we court case ni sisi dia Nana Gyafla okuta 80% or soro dientia because the fact now was state no say menya judge kura no a minim se okuta 80 dientia because am panso reason bay and ye Nana Agyeman Badu wontia on fa letter no enkoye and I'm sure court no be busa the same question and remember conversation is beautiful we are waiting for ye Nana Agyeman Badu so much court no onko kanchiro reason bent and a letter no I was seeing farmer on evidence wo July 2023 near the brow. At the hall. What the year day? We did the Ken. We didn't cry in case of any update. Do not forget. 2. Nana Samgba Gyafla. Benjamin. Fetch me. I sent to the I'm fetching you. I'm trying. Say Sampa Casa the crowd. Me Shiana Kakakra. I am the pagi. What I say. Benjamin. I am Monfa. I sent no Sampa Casa and I sent no Monfa Chem Kakakram. Learning it bit by bit. Meaning, but do not forget to share this video. Share this video. Now you have been so. Enye bin share. Yebese share on our next video. Bye.